Hey, here we are today to show you the differences between a tri-motor recliner. So a tri-motor is going to be 3 motors, as you can see in this particular power recliner. And we want you to show you this so you can really understand what's happening inside your chair. Something's wrong in your chair, it's broken, you don't know essentially what it is. We want to kind of try and help you identify what it is by showing you how it works, making sure you understand the benefits of it, and then kind of diagnosing how to fix it. So let's go through this. So this one right here has power headrest, power lumbar, and power recline. We'll show you individually what they do. So this is the power headrest. You can see that only the top portion comes out. This is so that when you recline, if you want to read a book or watch a movie, it's the perfect application for that because you don't have to stick a pillow behind your head. You can just do this and it will make it work. Lumbar is if this right here in the central back of it. So normally there'd be a whole cushion here. So this looks like it's really high. It's actually not. It's going to hit right in the lumbar. But this is how you adjust lumbar in this. And it's just a simple motor that comes in and out to be able to adjust how much support you have in your back. And then of course, lastly is going to be the base recliner, which is what we all know. This is going to control your feet and your back. You'll notice that as it goes out, it comes back and forth. So what's important about all of these is if something were to go out, you do have 3 motors. What's important to understand is the the power headrest and the lumbar motors all get their power routed through the base motor. This base motor has 3 cables. As you can see down here, it's actually, you can see 4, but that's because one's for power. But one's for power, the other 3, one gets routed to the remote that we're using here, but then one gets routed to lumbar and one gets routed to here. So if your power headrest motor stops working, but everything else is still working, we can know that it's the power headrest motor. We can replace that. Same on the lumbar if that just goes out. But if nothing's working, it's either going to be your button because it's not sending any power, or it could be the base motor because it's the brains receiving all of the power. So when you're diagnosing your chair, it's helpful to understand where all that comes from. But we wanted to give you this visual to really show you how the function works, and being able to see it like this really tells you. So again, this is a tri-motor recliner, power headrest, lumbar, and base motor.